The Honeywell Compact Portable Air Conditioner with Dehumidifier and Fan in white and blue is a 3-in-1 unit providing cooling, dehumidification, and a fan. Powerful airflow in a compact air conditioning unit cools rooms from 350 to 450 square feet, while the built-in dehumidifier removes up to 61 pints every 24 hours with continuous drain options for longer unattended operation. The auto evaporation means no bucket to empty, and a washable dust filter and filter change alert makes for easy maintenance. The control panel features 2 speeds, smart digital humidistat, 24-hour energy-saving timer, digital display, and all this can be controlled by the included remote control. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.